Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Subaru Forester. It is the limited special edition T25. It is 4x4. It has the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder twin cam engine with an automatic transmission. It comes with 60,809 original miles. It is 4-door with a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. The lights also go away. As y'all can see, that number right there is the kilometers of the vehicle. It is 97,864. That is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 60,809. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you're looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions y'all may have. I did want to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. It really does mean a lot to us. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.